So again welcome student. Today I am going to explain rest of the questions given in the exercise 3.2. Here I have written the question number 4th. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? So in the question number 3rd, which I had explained in the previous video, that if each and every exterior angle of a regular polygon was given, then you got the number of sides, like the question number 3rd. But here each and every interior angle is given. Suppose that here if you are going to get a diagram like this, suppose that if a diagram is given there, if it is regular polygon, then each and every sides of that regular polygon will be equal, each and every interior angle will be equal, as well as each and every exterior angle will be equal. So here if I am going to extend that like this, so students, I know that sum of each and every exterior angle of the polygon is 360 degree, that is fixed. But each and every interior angle, you can say that if sum of interior angle of the polygon, that is not fixed, that will be changed according to the polygon. But sum of exterior angle will be fixed. So here if each and every interior angle, suppose that if it is given 165 degree, then all these angles will be 165 degree. It will be also 165, 165, 165, like that. Now if it is 165 degree, then what will be this angle? That will be 180 minus 165, that is equal to 15 degree. Reason it is a straight line, so sum of these two linear pair of angle will be 180 degrees. So if interior angle is given, then you can also find the exterior angle. So here I will find the exterior angle for that polygon. So here each exterior angle of each exterior angles of a regular polygon, that is equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree. So students, why I am going to subtract 165 from 180, I had explained there. Okay, the sum of the interior and exterior angle, that will be equal to 180 degree. Reason is that will form a straight line. So here 180 minus 165, that is equal to 15 degree. So students, here I got that each and every exterior angle of the regular polygon is 15 degree. Now it is just like the previous question. In the question number 3rd, each and every exterior angle was given 24 degree. So there, whatever the formula you had applied, the same formula here you will apply. So here I am going to give the complete solution. So here each and every exterior angle is 15 degree. Then let number of sides of a regular polygon equal to n. Then each exterior angles of a regular polygon, that is equal to 360 upon n. So here what is the each and every exterior angle here? Here I got that each and every interior angle was given there. So by that I got the each and every exterior angle. So it is 15 degree. So 15 degree equal to 360 degree upon n. Then go for the cross multiplication. 15 degree into n equal to 360 degree. It shows that n equal to 360 degree upon 15 degree. So if you are going to divide, 15 2 ja 30 and 15 4 ja 60. So it will be 24. So the number of sides of that regular polygon whose each and every interior angle is 165 degree will be 24. So here you can write number of sides equal to 24. So it is the complete solution of the question number 4. Now students, here I have written the question number 5. In the question number 5, two parts are there. A. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree? So here you need to find that a regular polygon is possible having interior angle 22 degree. So here I am going to check that. It is given that each and every exterior angle is 22 degree. So here it is given in the A part, each exterior angle of regular polygon it is equal to 22 degree, that is given 22 degree. So we need to check that this type of regular polygon is possible. So here I am going to take, let number of sides equal to n. Let the number of sides of that regular polygon is n. Then I am having a formula which I had applied in the previous questions. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon, it is equal to 360 degree upon n. Here each and every exterior angle is given, that is 22 degree. So 22 degree equal to 360 degree upon n. So go for the cross multiplication. So it will be 22 degree into n equal to 360 degree. Here it shows that n equal to 360 degree upon 22 degree. So here both will be cancelled by 2. So 11 2 is 22 and it will be 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 180 degree. So it is equal to 180 degree upon 11. If you are going to divide, 11 1 is 11, that will be 7, 70, 11 6 is 66, then 4, 11 3 is 33, and then 7, 11 6 is 66. So it will be like this. So you are going to get number of sides equal to 16.36. So students, can you imagine that any polygon having the number of sides 16.36? It is not possible. Reason is that number of sides will be a complete number, that should be a natural number, not a decimal number. So here you are going to get number of sides, you are going to get it is in the decimal. That is not possible. There is no any polygon which having the sides in the decimal. So here if you are going to get the each and every exterior angle 22 degree, then you are going to get that polygon having the number of sides 16.36. So that is not possible. It means you are not any regular polygon is not possible having the each and every exterior angle 22 degree. Reason is that here number of sides you are going to get for 22 degree, it is 16.36, which is not possible. So here you can write the complete answer. It is not possible. It is not possible to have a regular polygon having each exterior angle 22 degree. It is 22 degree because number of sides can't be decimal. So that is the reason. Okay, that is not possible. Reason is that you are going to get the number of sides in the decimal, which is not possible. So that's why that regular polygon is not possible having each exterior angle 22 degree. Now student, B part is given there. Can it be an interior angle of the regular polygon? Why? So again you need to check that here in the A part I had checked that 22 degree will not be the exterior angle of any regular polygon, but that you need to check for the interior angle. Can 22 degree will be the interior angle of any regular polygon. So how you will check? So if you are able to get the each and every exterior angle, then you will be able to check it easily. So here each and every interior angle it is given. Now here you need to check for the same angle, that is interior angle. So here you can write each interior angle of a regular polygon, that is equal to 22 degree. So students, if each and every interior angle of a regular polygon is given, so how you can get the exterior angle? So each exterior angles of that regular polygon, that is equal to 180 degree, that is 180 degree minus 22 degree, that is equal to here 10 minus 2 8 and 7 minus 2 5, that is equal to 158 degree. So if each and every interior angle of that regular polygon is 22 degree, then each and every exterior angle will be 158 degree. Then here we are having a formula, each and every exterior angle that is equal to 158 degree equal to 360 upon n. Each and every exterior angle equal to 360 upon n, where n is the number of sides. So it can be written as 158 into n equal to 360. Yeah, it can be written as n equal to 360 upon 158. So students, if you are going to divide it, so it will be equal to 2.27, approximately 2.27. Again you are going to get that if each and every interior angle is 22 degree, the number of sides are in the decimal, and you know that any polygon doesn't having the number of sides in the decimal. So if you are going to get the number of sides in the decimal, it means that that polygon is not possible. So here you can say that here number of sides of a regular polygon is not a natural number, so the polygon is not possible, that is not possible. So here again you are going to get that if each and every interior angle is 22 degree, then that polygon is not possible. So it is the solution of the question number 5th. Now students, here it is the question number 6, that is the last question of the exercise 3.2. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon having and why? What is the and the B part is what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. So here you need to find the, if a regular polygon is there, then what is the minimum interior angle is possible and what is the maximum exterior angle is possible. So first I am going to solve the B part. B part will be solved usually. So first I am going to solve the B part. It is the regular polygon. So what will be the number of sides for a regular polygon? That will be 360 upon that angle. Yeah, each exterior angle of a regular polygon having n sides, it is equal to 360 degree upon n. That is the each and every exterior angle of a regular polygon. If 4 side is there, then each and every exterior angle will be 360 upon 4. If 5 is there, 360 upon 5. So that is the each and every exterior angle of a regular polygon. Now you need to find the maximum exterior angle. So if you are going to find the maximum exterior angle, if the students 360 upon n, that is depend on the n. If suppose that n is going to be changed, then exterior angle is also going to be changed. 360 degree is fixed here. So if suppose that number of sides is 3, what is the reason? Reason is that polygon is only possible with the minimum number of sides 3. Then minimum number of sides for a polygon is 3 and maximum you can't fix it. So here if the number of sides is 3, then 360 upon 3, that will be 120 degree. If number of sides are 4, then 360 upon 4 equal to 90 degree. If number of sides are 5, then 360 upon 5 equal to, you will get 72 degree. So here you are going to get whatever the n is there, the angle will be maximum when the n is smaller. If you are going to increase the value of n, the angle value is going to be decreased. If it is 3, then you are going to get 120. If it is 4, then you are going to 90. If it is 5, then it is going to be reduced. So it means what will be the maximum exterior angle will be possible when the number of sides are 3 here. Reason is that any polygon is not possible having less than 3 sides. So the minimum number of sides for a polygon is 3. So the polygon having 3 sides, that having the maximum exterior angle. So here you can write maximum exterior angles of a regular polygon that is equal to 360 upon 3. Why I am going to take 3? Reason is that at the 3, that is the highest value, and if you are going to increase the number of sides, the angle is going to be reduced. So it is equal to 120 degree. It means a regular polygon whose exterior angle is maximum, that should be 120 degrees. So it is the solution of the B part. Now for the A part, you need to find the minimum interior angle. So students, if I am going to take one example, then you will be able to understand. Suppose that here I am going to draw a triangle. Here it is given that it is a regular polygon. Yeah, you can say that if all the 3 exterior angles are equal, it will be 120 degree, it is 120 degree, it is 120 degree. So here I had found that if 120 degree, then what will be that interior angle? So 180 minus 120, that will be 60 degree. What will be this? 180 minus 120, 60, it will be also 60. So for a regular polygon whose number of sides are 3, the each and every interior angle is 60 degree. Now I am going for the square. Suppose that if I am going to draw a square, it is like that. If for the square, each and every exterior angle will be 90 degree. So if why it is 90 degree, 360 upon 4, that is 90 degree. So each and every exterior angle is 90. So if it is 90, then what will be interior angle? It will be also 90 degree. So that is 90, it is 90, it is also 90 degree. Now I am going to take a hexagon. Suppose that if I am going to take a hexagon. Now if I am going to get the exterior angle like this. Now if it is the hexagon, then number of sides will be 6, then what will be each and every exterior angle? 360 upon 6, that is equal to 60 degree. It means here each and every angle is 60 degree. So here each and every exterior angle is 60 degree here. Now if it is 60 degree, then what will be that interior angles? Then 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. In the same way, it is 120 degree, it is also 120 degree, it is 120 degree. So here, if the number of sides are 3, then each and every interior angle is 60 degree. If number of sides are 4, 90 degree. If the number of sides are 6, 120 degree. Here what you are going to observe, student? Here you are going to observe that if the number of sides are going to be increased, then each and every interior angle is also going to be increased. But if the number of sides are going to be increased, each and every exterior angle is going to be decreased. So here what will be the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? That should be 60 degree. Reason is that if it is the number of sides are 3, then each and every interior angle is 60 degree. If it is 4, then 90 degree. It is 6, then 120 degree. So minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is 60 degree. So here it is the answer of the A part. Here you will write minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon, that is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is equal to 60 degree. So here it is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. So student, kindly note down the solution of the question number 6 also, and today that exercise is going to be completed. Thank you students.